Yeah. Welcome, everyone. You're highly welcome on today's edition of Let's Educate Each Other. It's a very wonderful day. How was your day? Today is Sunday. A very big shout out to all our mamas out there, our mothers. I say a very big happy Mother Sunday to you all. So, as you all guys know that that's how we normally do it every Wednesday and Sundays. So we are here again on today's program, on today's edition, with another tough and a kind of tough and an interesting topic as well. So we are going to be doing two topics all together today. So for the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time, you guys know how we normally do it. We do it. The line is always open. Then you call in to make your own contribution. Then either you can, if you can't call in, then you can send your contribution through inbox. Then I will read it out. I'm here to serve you. So you know the program name is always Let's Educate Each Other. Nobody knows it all, understand? So the program have come to stay. All I need is your support and to always share the program. Invite your friends. Tell them that this program you benefit a lot, you learn a lot. So once again, I apologize for coming a little bit late, but it's not that too much late because I have to write the topic of the program. I have to write some things. I have to do some write-up for the live video. I can't just start the live video without doing some write-up. So that's why it takes some few minutes before I start the video. So we are going to be doing two topics today. Maybe some of you have seen the two topic I wrote there on the headline of the live video. So that's what we are going to be dealing on today. So please, like we always say, if you call in, please make sure you put on your light so that people can see you and also hear what, and you speak a bit louder so that I can hear what you're saying and also benefit from your own contribution. So please, let's do it as we usually do it. So please remember, let me just read out the rules for those that are watching us for the first time. We don't take things personal here. You just call in and make your own contribution, and we don't call names. Just say your mind, and everybody will understand what you're trying to say. So that's just the main point. So the line will be open, then the comment box is as well open as well. So you can call, either you call and make your own contribution, or you write in your own comments, then I'll read it out. That's how we do it every day. And people have been testifying about this program. People have been calling me all the way from Germany, from France, from Spain, Norway, Holland, Switzerland. And there's one particular white woman have been calling us from all the way from Switzerland. She always tells us that she learned a lot in this program and she keep on doing it. So please, guys, share this program. I have received a lot of calls from Germany as well because of this program, and so many people have been testifying about it. So let us keep on educating each other, because nobody knows what I know might be different from what you know, and what you know might be different from what I know. So that's the purpose of this program, and it's mostly especially for us that are youth, because life of a youth is full of so many temptations and so many things. So we doing it this way will help us to achieve our goals, and at least we are not going to mislead ourselves, and we know what we can be able to do in a particular time and at the right time. Okay, so now I'll be introducing the two topics. For those who have not seen the write-up, I will introduce it. That's how I normally do it. Then I'll start receiving calls and the embassies. I'll start reading them out. So the topic for today, like I said, we are going to be doing on two topics today. So topic for today is, do friends really change someone? That's one. Then the second one is, men really stronger than women? Because this thing has been a lot of a kind of argument and debate, as in a kind of dragging who is stronger. So this night we are going to do justice to it. So the point now is for you to invite your friends. I know that this night everybody would like to talk on this two topic. Do friends really change someone? Or do friends really change someone? And also, is men stronger than women? Let's just put the real fact here today. Let everybody benefit from it. So for me as a presenter, I have to do my own justice before I start reading out comments and start receiving calls. For the first question, do friends really change someone? Let me start by this. Anything about change start from the mindset. You understand? They said, there's one book I was reading one day. They said, if you want to change a nation, you have to start by amending your bed after sleeping at night. Before you go out, you dress your bed. From dressing your bed, you start addressing others. From dressing others, you start addressing everything. So for friends to change someone, it depends on how you agree with your friends. For example, I'll use myself as an example. Understand? Because I like saying what I'm sure of. Because I don't like saying what I'm not sure of. Like me, I have some friends that do smoke. Understand? I've been with those friends for like years, so many years. You understand? But I don't smoke. That doesn't mean I don't hang out with them. I hang out with them. They smoke their whatever in my presence there, and we discuss. But that doesn't mean that I smoke. Though people used to say, show me your friend and I'll tell you the kind of person you are. Sometimes he's right, sometimes he's wrong. It depends on personality. Sorry for that call. Someone just called me. So it depends on personality. I just said, please, when I'm on live, nobody should call me. Please, just hear me. Nobody should call me when I'm on live because I won't pick your call. That's just the point. So let me go back to what I'm saying. So it depends on easy. So it depends on personalities. If you don't want to change, nobody can change you. If you want to change, it starts from your heart. When you decide to change, that means you can be able to follow whatever people are doing. That's one for I don't want to say it all because I want other people to still contribute on that topic. So going to the topic of is men really stronger than women? For me, I would say that women are even more stronger than men because the way they do things these days, I'm afraid, because you can see a guy cannot stand up and be at the junction or be at the middle of the road by 12 midnight or 10 at night, and a car will stop. You see the girl, a guy will enter. No, but a girl can do it. Forget say we boys shout whoa, get power. Now lie, we no get mind reach where girls dey. More I use broken thought, some everybody still follow up. We don't have that kind of heart. We no get that mind where girls get. Tell me, as a guy now, can you stand at the middle of the night and a car will stop? You just enter. You don't even know the person for the first time. A guy cannot do, but a girl can do it. So these people, I just said it now, but as the program proceed, I'll be saying more things. I don't want to take too much time. So let me quickly go back to the comment box so that everybody can be able to participate in this program. So the first one said, bro, Sobobo Evis Marcos said, good evening, everyone. Okay, you're welcome, my brother. Happy Sunday to you. Happy Mother's Day as well. Selena Jean Franco, all the way from Selena Jean Franco said, hello. Okay, you're welcome to the program. Selena Jean Franco said, depends, friend can change someone. Okay, that's what I was just saying, but you can still give us some I know you are listening. You can still give us some hints, something that make you to think that friends can change somebody. Because I believe that it depends on you. If you decide to change, you change. If you don't decide to change, nothing friends can do to you that will ever work out. Okay, I've just thrown a little bit light on that. DJ Utobo JC, agree to partner in crime. Okay, he said happy Sunday. You're welcome to the program for today. Yeah, welcome. Chinon, so DJ Galaxy Jid said, hi bro, okay, you're welcome to the program. Miss Grace said, hello guys, you're welcome. Pretty Blender said, interesting topic, okay, you're welcome. Just do justice to the topic as well. And Miss Grace said, greetings to the house. Okay, you guys are welcome to today's program. So you guys know how I normally do it. So let's start doing it now. The line is always open and the comment box is as well open. So I've just said the topic. Please keep on sharing this program. Keep on inviting your friends and tell them that the program already started. And we are discussing on a very interesting topic today, so that everybody can hear what we have to say. Because most people do use this as an argument. They say men are stronger than women, but in some areas. But the way things are going these days now, I think women are even stronger than men. The way things are going. So if you agree with me, please, you can call in or you can send in your opinion. Then I will read it out. Then for the other one, for the first question is, do friends really change someone if you have not decided to change on your own? That's one. Then the second question is men really stronger than women? Who get mine pass? So these two topics we are going to be dealing on it today. Then on Wednesday, there's another question that come from all the way from Germany we are going to be discussing on Wednesday. So I think that topic is based on, because is a girl that sent that topic. So I think, yes, you need to watch that program that very day to see the reason why some things are happening here in Europe, because that question is all about girls here in Europe, so that they will know their left and right. They know the reason why one or two things are happening between them. So please, I'm just giving you a link. I'm just giving you an expo based on that program that will be coming up on Wednesday, because a girl from Germany sent that question. He said that he would like to know some recent things that are happening to girls here in Europe. So girls are watching this program now, even if you don't watch it now, later they share the video, you see it, try and log in on Wednesday and see the reason why some girls or some things are happening to some girls here in Europe are happening. So let's go back to today's topic. Does friends really change someone? One, and is men more stronger than women? So please, I will still say this again. Once I'm on live video, please stop sending me messages, stop sending me friend requests, because I won't accept it until I end the live program I'm doing. And stop calling me, because if you are calling me here, you're distracting my program. Okay, I will not pick your calls if you're calling me on my messenger. But if you call me on the program, I'll bring you to the camera, you say what you want to say, please. But if you are calling me on messenger, I'm sorry to disappoint you, I will not pick that call. Or you're sending me message on messenger, I'm sorry to disappoint you, I will not reply that message until I finish my program. Or if you're sending me friend requests, just have patience. Once the program is finished, I will accept your friend request. So if you want to make any contribution, you want to tell me anything, call me right here on live video. I will bring you up to the camera. This is not only my program, it's for everyone. Everybody's watching this program. It's not only me. I'm not just doing live video for doing sake. No, whenever you see me on live video, I have a message to pass across, and I have important something to discuss. So I don't just do live video showing drinking beers or carrying women. No, I don't do all those nonsense live videos. Whenever I see me online, whenever I get notification that I'm online, know that there's something important that I have to pass across to you guys out there. So please remember, the topic still remains: do friends really change someone? And also, is men really stronger than women? So let me take a small break. Because today's program, I believe everybody would like to contribute on this topic. So like I was saying before, there's a question that come all the way from Germany that we are going to be discussing on Wednesday. It's based on why is something happening to some girls here in Europe. These are mostly our Nigerian girls here in Europe. Something are happening to them, and something that are going on with their life. Why is this so? So that question, that topic will be discussed on Wednesday. So girls, please, I'll beg you, if you like, I will kneel down and beg you, please don't miss that program on Wednesday, because it will benefit you a lot. Because I know that the person that brought that question may have seen so many things about the way life is going on with girls here, and most especially here in Europe. So we have to put an end to some of those things that are happening. But it depends on you people. So please always make sure you come up with your own contribution, and always share this program, so that you can also make it known to everybody that this program, we use it in educating each other, because nobody knows it all. Because what you know might be different from what I know. What I know might be different from what you know. But in the midst of doing this program, at least we rub minds together, we share ideas together, and we learn a lot of things from each other. And normally we do it every Wednesday and Sundays, exactly 9 o'clock each day we do this program, because that's how we normally do it. So every Wednesday and Sunday by 9 o'clock, that's when we used to do this program, to educate one another, understand. So even if I say a bit late, know that I'm just writing the headlines of the message of the program that very day. Excuse me. So that's how we do this program. So for the benefit of those that are just joining us new, let me see, go back to some comment people have already made before, and we'll see continue. The comment box is always open. You can call in and make your own contribution through live, and people will hear you out and know what you're saying. I know that so many people watching this are still thinking on how or what to say, but feel free. In any language you can speak. If you like, speak Benin, any language at all you can speak. Definitely someone is in the house to understand what you're saying. Then if you write it, I'm at your service, like I always do. I will read it out the way you write it. I will not add, I will not remove. If I see some correction I will make on it, I will do it, so that people really understand what you're trying to say. So that's how we do it on this program. So for the benefit of those that are joining us for the first time and have not understand how we do it, see how we do it. I always read out the comments and all the rest. So let me just read out the few comments that just come in because I've not been long beside the program. And remember, we always end this program by 12 midnight because of people that used to go to work so that they can be able to, meet up with their work in the morning. But let's just do this program as one family and also teach each other what we don't know. Okay, let me quickly read out the comment are coming. Bros Suburb Elvis Marcus said, good evening everyone. Okay, he's always on this program. He doesn't miss this program. He's always online watching this program, making sure that this program he doesn't miss any bit of it. Okay, Selena Jane Franco said hello. Okay, she's also member. She always contributes anything to this program. Anytime we are doing this program, she always there to contribute enough. So she have already made her own first contribution. He said, depends, friend can change someone. It depends. Okay, DJ Otobo JC said, happy Sunday, you're welcome my brother. Chinonso DJ Galazi G said, hello bro. Okay, I'm good. Miss Grace said, hello guys. Okay, you're welcome. Pretty Brenna said, interesting topic. Okay, interested topics. Okay, you're welcome. Miss Grace said, greetings to the house. Okay, you're welcome. We have so many things. Okay, S.A. Anderson said, happy Sunday. Okay, you're welcome. Happy Sunday, you're welcome. Lovely Blue said hello. Lovely Blue said, longest hour. Why don't they? Don't, it just be like say you're on for the program. We're not going to see you again. I hope all is well. So you're highly welcome back to the program for today. I know you are gonna do as how you normally do it on this program. You usually bring a wonderful contribution and everything on it. Okay, so please just make your own contribution. Let's continue. Then Pretty Brenda said, for me, number one, yes, friend can change someone. Okay, friend can change someone. Number two, okay, have caller in the building, please. I have to accept because I'm going to do more of calling. Goes normal. Please know that this question might. Okay, you're welcome to the program, my brother. Good evening. Where are you calling from? What's your name and where are you calling from?
Good evening, brother. I'm Bro Henry calling from Italy here.
Okay, you're welcome to the program.
Thank you so much. I have already had a topic and see what you wrote.
Okay.
So what I believe that number one is if a friend can change someone.
Yes.
Yeah, friends can change someone.
Okay.
Because, like for example, if you have a friend who is misbehaving or any other thing, maybe your intention is not to do that thing.
Okay.
Because you are following the friend.
Okay.
And he will always doing that thing in your presence.
Yeah.
I believe one day you will join the person to start doing that thing.
Yeah.
But if you have a friend that develop a habit of doing good thing, like to find how life is, and he's going for work, searching for work, going school, reading his Bible or her Bible, doing a lot of things.
Yeah.
And maybe you are not able to do that such of thing. But anytime the person is doing it, you are close to the person.
Yeah.
I believe one day you also develop that habit to maybe you can say to yourself, let me try this thing this person is doing.
Yeah.
If it will benefit me.
Yes.
Because there is a word that says there is two type of people in this life.
Yes.
Those who listen, he said, those who listen to everybody.
Yeah.
And those who doesn't listen to anyone.
Okay.
So what I believe is that friend can change someone.
But can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You know, in this issue of changing someone, you know that Oh, oh. Okay, we lost that caller. Sorry for that. A little big hang up, or it's just network that is just disturbing. Okay, let me quickly go back. You can call back. I think the network is now a little bit good now. I can call back. Let me finish because I have a question for you. Henry, please call back. I have a question I want to ask you. Okay. He said, Brenda said, for me, number one, yes, friends can change someone. Number two, men are more stronger than women. Men are 90% stronger, while women are 10%. Are you really sure? Please, I would like you to throw more light on this 90% and 10% of it, because I believe that there are some things women do that men cannot even try doing that. I don't know if you understand where I'm going. Okay, Harry is calling back. Let me quickly ask him that question I wanted to ask.
Messi,
Okay, yeah,
network.
I can you can hear me now, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. I was trying to ask you some question before someone comes up. Okay,
Okay.
now I have been in friendship with some guys. Quite all right. I know they smoke and they are my friends. They are my good friends. We are in good terms for like years now.
Yes.
But I've not tested smoke for one day in my life. Does it mean that? What do you have to say about this?
It's from your own habit.
Okay, because I believe that
Yeah.
if you really want to change, it depends on if you don't want to change. No, I don't think anyone can change you. You understand? What?
Sometimes maybe
Okay.
sometimes like you are going with those people that they don't even thinking about their future,
Okay.
and you are following them,
Okay.
and maybe you are trying to do something in life.
Okay.
That thing you are trying to do
Okay.
is not working.
Can I say something?
I'm
You
coming.
know. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. You know what I understand here. In terms of changing, I don't think nobody. I don't think that someone can change someone. You understand? What I believe that someone can learn
Wow.
something from you, not change. There's a difference between change and learn. Do you get me right? Do you believe now?
No, I didn't.
I said there's a difference between change and learn.
Someone can change someone.
For me, I believe that no one can change. No one can be able to change you unless you want to change on your own. That's what I believe on my own.
No.
Because what, for
For
instance,
your own.
I'm coming. Let me just explain what I'm trying to say. Yeah. For example, now
Yes.
we are friends now. You have your own life to live. I have my own life to live. Understand? You are smoking now, and I'm not smoking. And as I smoking, that means I learn what you are doing. I don't not that you change me, because I cannot change what I am. I cannot change me. I cannot change my name just to answer your name. I don't think you understand what I'm trying to say. I only learn from what you're doing. I didn't change, because I can equally start. I can equally decide one day I said I will not smoke again, which means I have lived what I learned from you. I don't think you get what I mean.
Can I ask you a question, please?
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Maybe you are going with some bad friends. They are
Okay.
doing bad thing, and
Okay.
you are not doing that thing.
Okay.
You are not doing. It's like It's like, for example, it's like you are following someone who is a thief,
Okay.
and the person will go and steal something.
Okay.
Maybe you are not stealing, but you
Okay.
know the person is stealing something,
Okay.
and the person will go and steal it. After he steals something, he will go and sell it,
Okay.
and he brings the money. Both of
Okay.
you will eat the money.
Okay.
Maybe one you are living together with the person, for example,
Okay.
but
Okay.
you are not stealing.
Okay.
Do you know that one day, maybe, for example, police will arrest the person because of
Okay.
what you have been going with the person, and the people have already see you with the person. Do you know that it can affect you?
That one is affect now. Thank God you mentioned that word affect. You understand?
It's part of change.
No, it's not change. That one is learn. You learn what that person is doing. For me, that's my own. That's my own idea. That's my own initiative.
But
But
someone can tell you that what you are doing is not good,
yes,
that you can change from that thing. It's change.
that's the change. That's what I'm telling you, that change is different from learning.
My brother,
I know it may sound strange
you
because
can
this
know
can be
less
your first time of
something.
hearing this, right?
No, it's not strange.
Because,
It means that
yes,
in the church, a
yes.
pastor can change you.
That's you learn how to follow him. You learn how to follow the
Not you
person.
can no change means that somebody will tell you what to do
Uh-huh.
and what is good and not what is good and what is bad.
But
Someone can tell you this thing you are doing, you have to change from it.
but can I tell you something? Wouldn't you
Yeah,
yourself know that you yourself as you are now, you know what is good
yeah.
and you know what is good and what is not good. So for you to start doing what is wrong now, that means you have learned it from somewhere. That not that you change because you cannot change from the person God created you to be. It's just that you learn from someone what you are not used to do before. You learn it. That's why I said there's a very big difference between change and learn because you cannot change.
But someone can tell you to come out from that thing.
Yes, if you can still decide if you decide to come out, yeah, that means you have changed. That's what they call it. That's now where the change now comes in.
It's change because the person that advise you to maybe this thing you are doing is not good, it will not help you in future. You
Okay.
have to change. You have to change from that thing. You have to come out from that thing. And really yourself, maybe you don't have that mind to come out from that thing you are doing before. But
Okay.
because the person have spoken to you, talk to you, encourage you, you can
Okay.
decide, oh, one day you make a decision that you will come out from that thing. It means that the person who talk to you is the one that lead you out from that thing and this is the one that make you to change. It's
Okay.
change.
Okay. For now, we have to leave it this way now. That's the whole idea. That's the own contribution. Then for the second question, what do you have to say about men and women? Who do you think that have much?
I don't
That you understand the second question, right?
I don't understand the struggle you mean. A lot of struggle. There is a lot of struggle.
Yes.
There is a lot. It depends the strong. There is a strong to work. There is a strong to fight. There is a strong to quarrel. There is a strong to do anything in the world.
Okay. Which one do you think that women? Do you think as in which one do you think that the song we are talking about is better? Because I throw a little bit more light when I explain that song. For instance, now as you are now, can you enter a car of who you don't know?
A car.
Of who you don't know? Can you stand up at the 12? Can you stand at the roadside by the 12 midnight and enter a car who you don't know?
It depends. Because they said that whatever a man can do, a woman can do too. But for my own suggestion, it's not everything a man can do, a woman can do. Yeah. For there is some woman who is strong to do something, maybe strong to walk, but it's in another way a man is stronger than them.
Okay. Because I have one comment here that said, maybe just hold on, let me just read it out for you. The girl, it's a girl that said it. He said, for me, number one, yes, for friends can change someone. Then number two, men are more stronger than women. Men are 90% stronger, while women are 10% stronger. Do you believe on that?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
Because
So
they said that anything a man can do, a woman can also do it, but it's not everything.
but they say woman can do it better. I know there's a difference between better.
It's like for that one. I didn't agree for that one. It's like so. Man is always a man. Man can go to a woman house, a family, marry a woman, bring her to his house. But woman cannot go and marry a man, bring her to her house.
But the case have reversed now. Haven't you heard of women marrying men now?
Maybe it's like here in Europe, but it cannot happen in Africa.
Okay.
Like in our Africa, like we be Igbo people, you cannot go and marry a woman cannot go and marry a man, put him in her house. It's not possible.
Okay. Now thank you very much for your wonderful contribution. We'll have another caller in the building. Let me bring the person. Let's hear what you have to say as well.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now thank you. Sit back and hear what others are saying. Okay. So you guys have been hearing what is going on all this while. We have another caller in the building. We are bringing that person to the camera and let's hear what he had to say. So while waiting for the caller, let me quickly read what Miss Grace said. Please, this topic is boring. Okay, it might be boring, but there's something really need to learn out of this. Someone send them. You know, I'm not the one I always bring the topic. Okay, Chidemma Stella Ma said, nice one. Okay, you're welcome. Pretty Brenda said, what happened to the network? My sister, I don't know. You know, sometimes network used to be bad. Then we have a lot of people watching this program, and so we lost that caller again. Then Pretty Brenda said, men are stronger in everything. Wow. So, guys, the line is always open, and the comment box is always open for you to comment and make your own contribution. Let Lee know what is going on this two topics we are discussing today. I think the way things are going on this program, we should be discussing two topics each day from now henceforth, so I can be able to meet up with the questions that are coming on my inbox during the week. Okay, so today we are dealing on two topics as well. First is, do friends really change someone? Then secondly, men, are they really stronger than women? Because the way women are doing things these days now is making some guys feel like women are even more stronger than men. So I really want to know, what's your own opinion? What do you think about these two questions we are dealing on today? And please, quickly, I want to remind you guys about the topic we have at hand on Wednesday. That topic is very, very essential because it really talks about what women here in Europe are passing through, the reason why some things are happening to them, and the reason why things are happening to them are happening to them. So please, I beg you guys, please don't miss. Even if you are not interested on today's topic that is somehow boring to you, but someone bring this topic, I don't want to do Pasha here. Because if I start ignoring some people's mail, they'll start saying that Chris is doing Pasha, is doing no. I just want it to be an open house whereby you can feel free to do whatever I want to do. Once you bring the question, I'll make sure that I bring it up and we discuss about it. Like this one we are doing now. At least the person that brought this question now, I know he or she will be very, very happy where she is now. She is right now, because I know that she believe that whatever she brings up, we are here to do justice to it. So that on Wednesday topic, that question come all the way from Germany, because so many times we are doing this program, so many people call from Germany, and they relay a lot of complaints, a lot of things about women in Germany. So I believe that it's not only women in Germany. I believe that it's also happening in other parts of European countries. So I'll have to discuss that topic on Wednesday. It's very, very important that you have to be on that topic so you can be able to share your own idea. So we have another caller in the building. Please, where you're calling from, and tell us your name and where you're calling from. Thank you. Hello.
Essay.
Okay, from where, please, for the benefit of those that are watching us for the
Hello.
first time, you know how we normally
Hello.
do
Good
it.
evening.
Yeah, good evening. Where are you calling from? How's your
I'm not watching you for the first time.
I know, for those that are watching
Bros,
us.
I'm not watching you for the first time.
Bros, wait. I didn't say you're watching me for the first time. I said for the benefit of those watching us for the first time, because I saw new names today that are watching us for the very first time. So please, so that we understand how we do it on the program. That's just it.
So
I know you are one of us. You're a very good member of this program. You're one of us. So just tell us your name and where you're calling from, so that we understand how we do it on this program.
Okay, Essay calling from Germany.
Okay. So I hope you know today's topic.
May I just use we'll just put her like a jovial comment but
okay, no,
normally you say friend the change person.
Yes.
But that your call at that time, they try one that you say, man, friend through the church person. Friend can never change person.
Thank you.
No. Friend can never change person. You understand?
Yes.
If you know say where your friend is driving, it's just like at a smoke.
Hello. Call coming on my phone tonight. Why? Okay.